Howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome, welcome. This is the OG coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. I've just come back from work, just come back from the grindy grind, just walked through the freaking door, and we're going to be talking about will Dogecoin survive this current drop? Will we see that Dogecoin will continue to drop down to its previous levels of, like a 0.75 that was a big support level before? We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about some interesting news. Just generally everything crypto, guys, and is there light at the end of the tunnel out there, guys? So let's jump into it without any further delay. We're going to be talking about Doge, Elon Musk, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything out there, guys. So we got the brilliant alien, the co-host in the house. We got the OG with the crazy the frog in my throat. That's been going on about 10 days. So I'm home now. I just came through the doors. So I just want to say God bless to everybody and thank you for watching. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, and to all the trolls out there, God bless you. Haters gotta hate. And remember, if anybody reaches out to you and says invest in this, sign up for that, you're gonna get huge returns, guys. Don't do that. It's absolutely scammer, whammer, bammers out there. So watch out for those. A lot of them are happening. A lot of them are coming out of the woodwork. I would appreciate if you go back and watch all my other videos, guys. Dogecoin bull run has started. I definitely think that the signs are there that definitely the bull run has started. Doesn't feel like it right now because we're seeing that most of the cryptocurrency is down, down. Will Dogecoin survive this fall? Will Dogecoin survive this retest? And right now we're seeing not only is Dogecoin down, but we're seeing most of the cryptocurrencies are down. Average around about 2 to 2.5%. We're seeing across the board pretty much a red day out there for most of the cryptocurrencies out there. So it's kind of a gnarly, it's kind of a nasty day out there. Looks like Annabelle is lurking. Looks like the alien is going to have to take Annabelle back to Mars and hide her out up there, guys. So if you take a look at the total Bitcoin returns on the monthly right now, we're seeing that overall it's not too shabby. April is down. I mean, March was 22.96%. January is down. So to have one down month, one bad month, is not too bad. Not too bad. I'm still pretty hopeful, though, that we're going to see Dogecoin. Moon, I think we could see 15 cents coming in by the end of the year. If we take a look at the total market cap, and good morning to you and you out there. Once again, guys, thank you very much for smashing the likes. I appreciate it. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it. Thank you for showing the support. We are seeing that right now. The total market cap is down 2%, as I said. We're seeing that Bitcoin dominance is falling to 45.8%. And Ethereum dominance is still looking pretty good. We are seeing that over the last 7 days, Ethereum has been much stronger, has come up. That is good. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down 2%. We're seeing Ethereum is down, and most of the cryptocurrencies are down. We're also going to be talking about that there seems to be a coefficient relationship or coefficient ratio between the Nasdaq, S&P, and Bitcoin. Seems that coefficient is more tightly correlated now, and that is not good because when the Nasdaq goes down, down, that's going to create some negative effects for crypto out there. And when Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down because Bitcoin is basically the leader of the pack. Jack, guys. Hey, thank you out there for just smashing the like. I appreciate it. Thank you again. I can see it every time you smash the likes. I can see it, so I want to thank you all out there very much out there. We're seeing that BNB is down, Cardano is down as well. We're seeing that Doge is getting hammer time, so Doge is getting a red card out there. Will Dogecoin survive this fall? Will it recover, or will we go back down to 0.75? I'm going to give you my thoughts in a second. I see Polymatic is down as well. So everything is down. Even Shiba Inu is down. And Shiba Inu is just sitting at 1100 range out there. So interesting out there. What are we seeing now for the DXY? The DXY is coming up a little bit. Let me just give this a bit of a refresh out there so you can see it. So the DXY is coming up right now. But it is hopefully will still respect this downtrending line. And if it does, that is going to be good for you and me because we need a DXY to go below 100. That's what's happening. Still a lot of thoughts around about U.S. dollar being the losing its sovereignty status, the global reserve currency out there. And as I talked about in previous video, it looks like China is trying to take that spot, guys. So there's a lot of pressure from BRICS and other communities out there. XPX is down right now. If you take a look at the pre-markets, let's take a look at pre-markets out there. We're seeing that U.S. markets were down yesterday, and right now the pre-markets are kind of neutral out there. So it's really hard to really say where things are going, guys. So pow, pow, pow. Guys, keep positive, keep smashing. Thanks again for smashing likes. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Bill, John, Jones, smash the likes out there. Appreciate it. So good news for Bitcoin. You can see that we have the EMA ribbons here. And these EMA ribbons go all the way from the 20 to 55-day moving average. So on the daily right now, we are seeing that Bitcoin is well above these EMA ribbons. So that is pretty bullish in itself. And every time that Bitcoin is above these daily ribbons, that is bullish, guys. So it's looking pretty good. We are seeing that our resistance level, this resistance for Bitcoin is really tough. It's 28,700. So right now we've gone down. We're back above 28,000. We're trading at 28,101. Let's take a look at the predator indicator. The predator indicator out there. The predator indicator is flashing red. That is telling us that there is some caution out there. So beware, be cautious out there. If you're wondering where you can go get the Descent Trader Predator Indicator, crypto intelligence dashboards, indicators that can get you and that you can't get anywhere else. So we got a lot of these dashboards out there. So and it's pretty popular out there. I've got my link down there. So if you're day trading or swing trading, you definitely want to be picking this one up, guys. So that is what I'm talking about. We're seeing Ethereum as well is still above our support level here. So, Ethereum overall on the last 7 days is doing a lot better. Still above the 7-day moving average. So that's cool beans out there. We're seeing Bitcoin adoption is increasing. Very soon there will be 1 million wallets with more than one Bitcoin, guys. So we can see here that the number of people with one Bitcoin or more is skyrocketing. That is fantastic. We're seeing people with less than 0.1 Bitcoin is also skyrocketing. And the people with less than 0.01 Bitcoin is also skyrocketing. So we're seeing that the mass adoption, the global adoption of Bitcoin is going up, guys. And that's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. Bitcoin is a good hedge against inflation. And in these uncertain times, I believe, not financial advice, you do you out there, do your own research. Diversification is key. Don't forget to take profits. I believe that Bitcoin it's good to have some Bitcoin. I've got lots of Bitcoin. So guys, I just think that Bitcoin is strong. Don't sleep on Bitcoin. Look at Michael Sayer. He just bought a whole ton of Bitcoin out there. So that is pretty cool beans out there. So my camera's following me. In case you haven't noticed, it's kind of like doing this automatic thing. It's using this whole LiDAR thing. It's shining something on my face and it's following me. So sometimes it doesn't work though, because suddenly it'll pan down to my knees. So guys, I love it. See, it just did something. I got close. It did something out there. So interesting out there. Interesting, another indicator is coming up. Bitcoin price rose 23% in March as multiple U.S. banks went bust. So, this is really, really telling, guys, that, as we see more banks going down, we're seeing more people moving into Bitcoin because of the uncertainty. But we are seeing that the 90-day correlation coefficient between Bitcoin and the NDX and the SPX ratio rose from 0.81 to 0.90. This is the strongest positive relationship since June 2022. So we're seeing more and more of a correlation between BTC right now and the broader markets right now. You can see that. So you can see that when the broader markets dip, Bitcoin's dipping. So that's kind of interesting out there, guys. So interesting. So hopefully the broader markets will pick up. Don't forget, we got interest rate hikes coming as well in around about 3 weeks, 6 days. Most people are saying it's going to be neutral out there, but I don't think so. We got CPI data coming out on the 12th to 13th of April. I think it's going to be coming hot. And I think we're going to see some interest rate hikes out there. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm freaking thinking out there. Looks like this is coming in from Seth. Looks like Bitcoin monthly chart. We touched the lower Bollinger Band out there. And, RSI has been reset. Was lower in the past. Bonds monthly order book has formed 40% up candle. So that is pretty good from that perspective. Look at the Sayer, who just now owns roughly 7.74% of all Bitcoin. Bitcoin 2025 presidents will call him for advice, guys. So don't sleep on Bitcoin. This is looking pretty positive out there, guys. Guys, did you guys know that this kind of came out? I thought this was kind of cool. That there is an Easter egg in the Mac OS, and it looks like that every single Mac OS running Mac OS Catalina or newer basically has the Bitcoin white paper in there, guys. So the Bitcoin white paper appears to be hidden in every single Mac. So I tried it. I went through this whole sequence out there. It's definitely there. It's definitely freaking there, and I can prove it. Wait, there, it's there. Look, that is the document. Bitcoin peer-to-peer electronic cash by Satoshi Nakamoto out there. This is kind of interesting. It's there. It's absolutely freaking there. And I thought this is just a FUD, but it's actually there. So what is going on with Apple? Why are they hiding this in plain sight? Are they telegraphing something? Is something going on out there? So very interesting out there, guys. Interesting. Bitcoin, a fourth historical bull run begins, guys. So it's gonna begin out there, guys. I think it's gonna begin. And guys, Dogecoin to the freaking moon, guys. If you love the Dogecoin like I love the Dogecoin, smash the likes, smash 111, guys. Dogecoin and freaking moon. I love my own content. I gotta do it. Out there, guys. Dogecoin to the moon again. All I can say is Dogecoin to the freaking moon, guys. Let's get it. Gotta love my own content. Out there, guys. So Dogecoin whales closed to Elon Musk cashed out on Twitter. So this article is kind of going around, and they're saying that some people are saying and suggesting that people close to Elon Musk knew that he was going to do it, and people cashed out, and that he telegraphed that. But I don't think so. Out there. I don't believe it. But some interesting news as well. Looks like, on-chain data vendor Sentiment has published analytics insight regarding the recent surge of Dogecoin, both in price and social media discussion. So we can see here, and that's the article here from Sentiment. We can see here that the article from Sentiment here, we can see for a fact that the social mentions have gone up. That is good for Dogecoin. However, and that was all culminated here. Interesting factoid, looks like Sentiment reposted my tweet out there, so looks like it's pretty good. I appreciate that Sentiment out there. Thank you for using the OG stuff. Get the message out there. Much lovey out there, guys. So that is good. But we did see the social sentiment go up as well. We did see the daily active addresses of Dogecoin also going up as well. So do I think that Dogecoin will not recover from this fall? It will recover. I believe 15 cents is coming in, absolutely coming in, guys. So also too, we're seeing so much activity, more and more activity. The activity has quieted down now, I must say. But overall, it's still looking pretty good out there, guys. So, guys, this is the new logo, the new look. Thank you, Sentiment, for tweeting that out, guys, out there. So, it looks like, too, if you take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin right now, the relative position of Dogecoin over the relative positioning of the 9-day and 20-day EMA suggests that Dogecoin price remains in a bullish cycle. So, we're still seeing that Dogecoin is well above the EMA ribbon. So, that is pretty bullish. That is freaking bullish out there. However, if we take a look at the RSI, should Dogecoin price increase in the next 24 to 48 hours, upside target will be around about 0.9630. So I think we will get back up there if things go bullish. But we definitely need Bitcoin to switch up and start to be back above 28,600. If Bitcoin breaks down below $28,000, that is going to have the bearish sentiment out there, and that's not going to be good, guys. So keep on keeping on. But currently, the daily RSI has sloped negatively towards an oversold territory, which is a bearish flag. So the bearishness is reduced, however, by the fact that the daily RSI line remains above the RSI SMA. So that's not too bad. So overall, I still believe we are in bullish. I think Dogecoin will survive. I think Dogecoin will be just fine. We may see some chop, but we can see that the bulls and bears are currently fighting it out around about the 9-cent level. Do I think that we'll drop down to 8 cents? It's very unlikely because we have some really huge support, guys. We have some really good huge support around the EMA ribbons out there. So I don't think that Dogecoin is going to be dropping too low. The lowest that we could go is we could probably go to 0.815. That's probably as low as we can go. I think that the The EMA ribbons will support us, and I think it will hold, guys. So don't worry about that. It's looking pretty good for Dogecoin overall, guys. So if we take a look at the Dogecoin, it's down 8.83%. Unfortunately, we're still seeing the volumes are down as well, 31% at 1.3 billion, and we're seeing the market cap is down as well, guys. So if you take a look at the social engagements, right, on the weekly, we're still up. We're still up about 239%. Social mentions, social engagement is up 900%, and social dominance is up. So people are still talking about the Doge. People are still interested in Doge. However, on the daily right now, we can see that social engagements are down, down, and social dominance is down, guys. So get to your social media, get to YouTube, get to whatever you guys love out there, and start talking about the Doge. It's so important out there, so freaking important. And guys, don't forget, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there, get a hardware wallet, guys. Don't be caught in the cold, guys. If you take a look at the DeFi Llama Ding Dong, let's give this a minty refresh. We can see that total TVL is pretty much unmoved out there. So interesting out there. Let's take a look at the total DeFi projects out there. If you take a look at the chains out there, we're still seeing that the biggest chain out there is Ethereum, followed by Tron, followed by a BSC and others, guys. So that is what's going on. So, basically we got Ethereum, Tron, BSC, Arbitrarium. And don't sleep on our Arbitrarium. Look, a lot of projects are coming out on Arbitrarium, and some of these projects are actually money, guys. So that's kind of interesting. So, guys, Arbitrarium, don't sleep on that. Do not sleep on Arbitrarium, guys. So it's an interesting time to be alive. What else is coming in right now? We can still see that also, guys, don't forget to be part of our conversation. Go down there and be part of the conversation out there. What's going on for Shiba Inu right now? So Shiba Inu has just broken down below the 1100 level. So that is not good out there. So it's broken down below its support. So guys, don't forget to follow me. Follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate that. Guys, don't forget to check out all the linkage down below. And guys, don't forget to get the merch code. So I just want to say, God bless you guys. Tomorrow I'm off. So there will be a live stream tomorrow morning around about 9:30 a.m. Bangkok. Fantastic live stream. So set your calendars. I think that's like 9:30 p.m. New York time out there, guys. So set your freaking calendars. Live streaming. Me, because I'm off. I'm off Friday and Saturday here in Vietnam, so both will have two live streams in the morning, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe, share. And once again, thank you for smashing likes, guys. And don't forget, if you're watching, you can give super thanks. It's a heart mark. Go down there, click it, show some support. I appreciate it. Peace out.